Welcome to 8060 Adelaide Drive in Maple Ridge, located in North Columbus. This stunning home is 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and 3,400 square feet with beautiful custom details and unique design. This exquisite home in Maple Ridge Golf Community offers elegance with beautiful craftsmanship, functionality with a wonderful open floor plan, and a location which is not just a place to live, but an amazing lifestyle as well. All of the bedrooms are upstairs, and the master suite includes an amazing ensuite bath design and large walk-in closet. Each of the additional bedrooms includes ample space and wonderful character. This large corner lot includes plenty of space for all of your outdoor entertaining. Maple Ridge has so much to offer with 2 swimming pools, 2 lakes, a playground, tennis courts, walking trails, and one of the area's premier golf courses. This is 8060 Adelaide Drive in Columbus, Georgia. Don't miss it. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.